boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. Wow, what a week. We had a great, great week here, my friends. We haven't had a week with this much price action in a minute. It's been a little while, but are we out of the woods yet? Have we gone from a stone cold bear market to a bull market? We'll see. Time will tell. I don't believe right now. It's premature. Volume is very low. We'll see how things go, my friends. But there was one stock that broke out over its 50-day moving average, and I told you about it earlier in the week. I'm going to tell you about it again. Happy Saturday to you, Saturday morning, afternoon, whenever you view this video. My friends, I hope you're out enjoying family, football, and friends, and enjoying yourself. So you know The Scoop? What we do is we take a look at your marijuana investments, my friends. We look at the technicals of companies. We look at the fundamentals of companies. We do something that a lot of people don't do that I mastered when I was trading the .coms back in the day. We do what I call physical analysis, where we go out and we find out exactly what's going on with these companies. We'll be going out next week to Green Thumb Industries to see exactly what's going on after we do our little research on them. You know, we've been, it's maybe the second or third, fourth time we've been to one of their locations, and they seem to be doing pretty well here. Their stock price is one of those stocks that I talked about. It's kind of leveled out a little bit, you know, trading sideways. That may dip a little, may go up a little bit. Green Thumb Industries is one of those, my friends. But that's not the stock I want to talk to you about today. You know, your education, your entertainment. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. My books, you can get the audio books, you can get the paperback books, or you can get the e-books online, my friends. You can get Amazon.com. We'll have them for you. You can go to your local bookstore. You can go to any library, really any library in the world that has any type of budget, and they'll be able to guide you to any of the Mickey D books, my friends, of which some have done this week. Like I said, low volume, but we did get, you know, some good things happening, especially with some of our resets on our 40 stocks that are inside Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. Make sure you get your copy of that. And those ETFs, my friends, mentioned in the book How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club. In that one, those ETFs in there, they're doing well, and take a closer look at them. You know, those gold stocks in the back of this mini book, Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. Companies you can get in early, hold, and grow rich with. Those, my friends, promising marijuana, medical marijuana and CBD treatments, investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. My friends, those are all books out there for your education and for your entertainment, my friends. And once again, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that red button right there, red subscribe button. We love to have you on board for this run, because I believe this run may be it may be epic, but it hasn't started yet. So don't put out there one of these updates. Mickey D says the marijuana run. No, it hasn't started. Well, we have hit some key things, like at the beginning of the week, we had a buy on MedMen. Beginning of the week, we had that signal. And congratulations to you that got out there and got ahead of it. It's $1.04 or what have you. It's closed the week up considerably there. Also, congratulations to you guys that got into GW Pharma. You got into GWPH. We were looking at that 110 to 120 area there, and it popped up out of there into the week, $135.51. So it had a really, really good week. GW Pharma, my friends, is the only company, the only marijuana stock company of the big companies. I'm not talking about little nickel and dime companies, of the aircraft carriers. GW Pharma was the only company to close above its 50-day moving average this week. So I put a lot of stock in GW. I hope that it comes down to that 110, 120 buy zone again. So I'll have an opportunity to get more shares. Full disclosure, my first purchase was only 100 shares, and I hope I don't have to ride that all the way. I hope it comes back down again to where I can pick up some more shares and go ahead and go for the ride with GW, because everyone has anointed, who is this, Curaleaf? They've anointed. Very seldom do you hear me mention that stock, because I've seen some reports that they're we'll talk about it at another time. But anyway, GW Pharmaceuticals is clearly the leader in America. Now, if you're out of the country, you're not stateside or anywhere, GW Pharma, my friends, I'm telling you, GW Pharma is the number one stock, a marijuana stock in America. Okay? There's a lot of stocks out there, my friends. We've got a lot of good stocks that are making money and doing different things. But you've got a stock here that's getting ready to light up Europe. And it'll be lighting up Europe. They've got stuff going out right now on the medical side. Only one with any approved type drug. They've got it going on, and they've got it going on. Put it this way: I do look this coming up week. I do look to add to Canopy if I can on any weakness or any downturn in Canopy. I would like to get a little more of that, but I'm set. The middle tiers, your True Leafs, your Charlotte's Web, like I said, we'll be going out to Green Thumb Industries, and that's a stock that we do own shares in. So we'll be going out there and seeing exactly what's going on this week also. And it's going to turn out to be, we'll see this week. It's an important, very important week, because we'll see if these stocks are able to continue going up. Now, I did say that MedMen would fizzle out about $1.40 USD. Now, we'll see. Don't get on me now if you own it and it continues to go up past the $1.40 to $1.50, $1.60, $1.70, and we continue on a run. Don't get mad at me. Same thing with GW Pharma. If you were able to get in, like I said, congratulations. But if it continues to rise, we don't chase them, my friends. We replace them. There are some stocks out there that people have been chasing this week. I think Ianthus, people have been getting in and chasing it, and I don't have any problems with that, because these stocks, when things kick off and when we get something signed in Washington here, which maybe sooner rather than later, from what I'm hearing, if we get something, then we may have room to pick up just about anything, because these low-lying boats that are about to flop over, so they're going to have new life. They're going to be lifted with all the other top dogs out there, my friends. But your Aphria did well, with the comeback, I guess you can call it. It's comeback. Aurora still seems to lag a little bit, and I wasn't able to call any of them at the office, leave a message with Terry, leave a message with Cam. No, I wasn't able to do that this week. I was busy doing other things, my friends. We did want to give a quick shout out to some family members. I'll do that here in a second. But my friends, be careful, set stops. This week maybe the most exciting week of the year with these cannabis stocks, because they go up pretty quick and they come down slower than they go. They go down for a longer period of time, put it that way. But if we have some squeezes here, some short squeezes, they may pop up really well. If they do, please set stops. Taking profits is not a bad thing. They're not going to run forever with the short squeeze. They'll come right back down if we do get that kind of environment developing, which I'm not saying we are, don't put it out there. Mickey D said we're gonna have a short squeeze. Nope, Mickey D didn't say that. He said there's a possibility that these things might feed on one another and go up, up, up. Let's face it, GW Pharma over its 50-day moving average closed at its high of the day, and some of these did close at their high of the day. So that means maybe come up Monday we might see some more running. We'll see how it goes. Shout out, happy birthday to two of my nephews, Malik and Khalil. Happy birthday, the big 18 for Malik and Khalil. You guys enjoy yourself this week, man. I got some really good pictures this week of my granddaughter, man. She led the class this week. She was the class leader and stuff, you know. Pawpaw, proud Pawpaw. You know how it is. Hey, Mike, you know what I'm talking about. Some of you Pawpaws out there, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Some of you people know what I'm talking about out there. But, my friends, love you. God bless you. Have a great, great weekend with you and your family. Take care. And once again, if you go by a library, let them know. You know, Mickey D, I wanted, can you order these books for me? The librarian will say, yes, you can. You go by Barnes and Noble or something, go ahead and pick up a copy or something. Not only it helps the channel. If you can't do, listen to just set it and forget it, and just listen to the commercials and stuff. Give me 30 seconds. You might want to tap on something. There may be a seminar or something you want to see, or one of the products that you want to take a look at, my friends. Frequent those advertisers that support the scoop, my friends. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Have a great weekend.